Hey there, today we're covering how food aggregators use proxies to verify restaurant listings. Food aggregator platforms, data companies, and business intelligence firms depend on accurate restaurant data. Food delivery platforms are dynamic environments where listings change constantly. Restaurants open and close, menus update, prices shift, operating hours change, and promotional offers come and go. Verifying that restaurant data is current and accurate requires systematic, automated checking across multiple platforms and locations. Restaurants close temporarily for renovations, holidays, or unforeseen events, and some shut down permanently without removing their platform listings. Menus change as items are added, removed, or repriced without consistent updates. Operating hours shift due to seasonal or event-driven schedules, and restaurants sometimes relocate while keeping old addresses. Ownership changes can transform a concept while the original listing remains. The same restaurant also often shows different data across different platforms. Inaccurate restaurant data has real business consequences for anyone relying on it for operations or intelligence. A reliable verification system handles single-platform checks, cross-platform comparison, and batch processing at scale. For single-platform verification, the system checks whether a listing is still active, whether the name and address match known records, and whether operating hours are current. Name and address verification is especially important because small discrepancies can indicate a closure, relocation, or data entry error. Cross-platform verification compares the same restaurant's data across multiple food delivery apps to surface inconsistencies. Batch verification runs these checks across large sets of listings in parallel, which is essential when working with databases containing thousands of entries. Not all restaurants need the same verification frequency. High-traffic listings, or those that have changed recently, should be checked more often, while stable, well-established restaurants can run on a longer cycle. This priority-based scheduling keeps verification efficient and ensures the most important data stays accurate. For data quality scoring, each listing receives a score based on how many verification checks it passed, how recently it was verified, and how consistent its data is across platforms. This lets data teams flag low-confidence listings for manual review without auditing every record. Scheduling verification as an ongoing process rather than a one-time task is what separates good data pipelines from poor ones. Automated alerting ensures that when a listing drops below a quality threshold, the right team gets notified quickly. Reliable restaurant verification depends on a few things working together. Every failed request is an unverified listing, so access has to be consistent. Restaurant availability also depends on query location, so proxies need to match the geographic area being checked. Verification requires access to the same data customers see, not a degraded or blocked view. And verifying thousands of listings requires sustained access without getting blocked. Data research tools, mobile proxies, address all of these requirements. Their Southeast Asian mobile carrier IPs ensure that food delivery platforms return accurate, customer-facing data, which is essential for meaningful verification results. Restaurant listing verification is a critical but often overlooked component of food data quality. By building systematic verification pipelines with data research tools, mobile proxies, food aggregators, and data companies can maintain accurate, trustworthy restaurant databases across Southeast Asia's major food delivery platforms. Treating verification as an ongoing process, combined with priority-based scheduling and automated alerting, ensures that data quality stays high as the food delivery landscape continues to evolve. For further reading, check out related guides on the best proxies for food delivery platform, scraping, how cloud kitchens use proxies for competitive menu analysis, how to scrape AliExpress product data without getting blocked, Amazon buy box monitoring with proxy setup for continuous tracking, how anti-bot systems like Cloudflare, Akamai, and Perimeter X detect scrapers, and API versus web scraping when you need proxies and when you don't. For more guides like this, visit dataresearchtools.com. See you in the next one.